Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to make image and text equal in height in Elementor WordPress. So we are going to use column background feature to make column height equal for image and text. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. Now you see we are using image widget, but you don't see image height equal with text. So we are going to delete image. So this is a column or container, so click on it and then you see style, so again click on it. Now you see background type, now select classic, choose image, now select image. Now you see we edit image and then you see, now you see image height is equal with text column height and then you see position, now select center. Now you see attachment, repeat, now select no repeat. Now you see display size, now select cover, now you see, and then go to main container. If you want, you can use this feature align item, so it's up to you. Now again click on container. Now you see image height is equal with text column in Elementor WordPress. So this is our desktop layout. Also we are going to set column height for image with text for tablet and mobile layout. First we are going to add some spacer plus, so we are going to add some space. Now you see spacer widget, now drag and drop. So we are going to use this spacer for mobile or tablet layout because we added image in background in container section. Desktop looking good. Again click on container. If you want, you can set position custom. Now you see, so you can set X position or Y position according to your requirement. Now you see, we select center, now go to mobile. So we select center, now go to tablet. Now you see tablet also looking good. If you want, you can change position for tablet. Now you see, now go to mobile layout. So click on it. But on mobile layout, you see image looks small and not looking good. So that's why we added spacer widget. Now click on it. Now you see edit spacer, space, mobile portrait. So you can add pixel like this according to requirement. So we added 200 pixel. Now you see multiple option. So you can add pixel in space widget according to requirement. So we added 300. Now you see, and then click on publish. So in this way you can make image column and text column equal height using background image container feature. Now go to website page and refresh the page. Now you see image and text equal height. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.